Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys, Leos. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's start with these cards here. So we have cross, garden, and dog. So in your circumstances, guys, Leos, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone who is really devoted to whatever you do. So if you make a decision, you stand by it, guys. No matter what your circumstances are, you do it. You try to do your best, give in your best efforts, and using your talents and skills, concentration. So you try to do everything in the right way, and maybe that may be the reason you have a lot of you have faced a lot of trials in your life, sacrificed so much for the people around you, for the people you love, for your career, or for the person you love. So you have done a lot, but today in your circumstances you have that acceptance in your heart. No matter what your situation is, you have that acceptance for your situation and you have peace of mind. And maybe for some of you, you are into some kind of a practice, maybe a religious practice, maybe chanting or meditation, whatever it is. You are doing something to find that comfort, harmony, and balance in your life. And in your relationship, guys, Leos, maybe if you, if you are in a connection with this person, and if you had some doubts, maybe the way they were was different, or the words they spoke was giving you some vague idea of something. But whatever it is, guys, you may feel that you may not trust this person. Some kind of confusion or doubts is there on this person. You need not doubt them, guys. This person is truly loyal to you. So you can trust them, and they are someone truly in love with you, and they want this relationship with you, guys. And you are maybe for some of you planning to go out, take them out, maybe take them out for dinner. Maybe you have this clarity in your heart. You are happy, maybe you are celebrating this happiness with this person, or there can be some celebration for something. Maybe in your work certain things are going as expected. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it says Tower. So we have this card here. This means that your person is a trustworthy, loyal person. But this card stands for some drastic changes. So maybe in your circumstances, guys, there are some changes happening, something beyond your control. But you need to understand that no matter what happens, this person is truly in love with you and they will stand by you. That is what I feel. So for your career situation, Leos, we have mice. So looks like there are people who are trying to use you, use your skills and talents. So if you know who it is, or if you have a vague idea who it is, you need to stay away from that person, guys, Leos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Leos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. So I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for you all, for those who chose this first card. It is Apache Tears. It's a Crystal Spirits card, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation, maybe you have too much sadness in your heart. You are thinking of your past person, your past love. So whatever happened, whatever the circumstances were, and it is simply weighing you down. So today you need to heal from that, guys, heal from that negative situation. So rejection, sadness is a form of a divine blessing, guys. So one day you will be able to see this circumstance with a different set of eyes. So you will have a more clearer vision, the reason why things went in such a way, and what was the benefit or what you achieved with that sadness and rejection you are feeling today. So in your future, you will be able to see what unexpected gifts these stressful, sad times have given you, guys. You will realize that very soon. But with this card, this Crystal Spirit card asks you to keep your heart open, so that you live more fully, more lovingly, and more meaningfully from now onwards, guys. So whatever has happened has happened. So there is no way of changing it, but you can change your present and your future. So goodness is coming your way, happiness is coming your way, and your beautiful destiny is waiting to unfold. All you need to do is clear that negativity you have in yourself, release the past, wash away the old with the tears. Maybe you feel like crying, you just cry it out and release all that sadness and stress you feel. So you no longer need to hold on to these old emotions. That is not going to help you in any way, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, it says beyond the threshold of fear. So in your circumstances, guys, you have some kind of a self-imposed barrier of fear, something holding you back from moving forward. So you are in that mindset, you want to take that big leap forward. You no longer want to be controlled by this fear. You no longer want to hold yourself back for this fear, and you no longer want to be the victim. You want to move forward in your life. Maybe in this relationship you have some fears. That is the reason holding you back, holding you from making that big step. But you are moving towards that big step, guys. You need not worry, because you are moving forward towards that, and you are going to feel so happy, free, just like flying, and you are going to, what to say, feel that freedom, and you can trust in the vision you have, and fear is not going to hinder your vision, and it's not going to obstruct the way you see the truth. So you must give up this fear you have in your circumstance towards something. So that is what is pulling you back, weighing you down, holding you to a particular situation, and you feel that you are bound, and you are no longer you have that energy to move out. But today you have that confidence and courage in your heart to dispel all this fear and move forward in life, guys. So that is what I see. So you are going to be absolutely free, and you are going to have a clear vision what needs to be done in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in this relationship, and there is no more darkness for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.